Hey, what's up everybody? It's Chris Jackson, your internet motorcycle sales guy here at Bumpus Harley-Davidson of Jackson, Tennessee. It's a little bit chilly out here today, so excuse me if I'm squinting. This wind is pretty cold. But regardless, I've got a 2016 Dyna Street Bob Limited to show you. They did the Street Bob Limited for a couple of years. Basically, it's got the red wheels on there and I think a few different paint color options. And that was about the only difference in them. The red wheels actually look really cool on here, especially with the Velocity red paint job. Bike is honestly just about completely stock. It's got the stock bars, stock exhaust, stock suspension. It looks like it's got a sundowner or a hammock seat, a little bit more comfortable seat on there. We've got brand new tires on it, of course a full service. Yeah, pretty much bone stock. Got a quick detached sissy bar on here. Stock turn signals. It's a brand new tire on the back. The bike has been ridden. It's got 31,600 miles on it, but still runs great. Still got a whole lot of life left in it, and a blank slate for you, anybody wanting to fix this thing up and customize it a little bit. Still stock exhaust, stock breather. Really good looking bike. All right, you think this could be your next one? Inquire about it here on the website or give me a call at 731-422-5508. Better yet, come see this thing in person, take it for a test ride, and check out the rest of our great inventory while you're here. Y'all come see us.